Hi, I'm Dr. Rajat Gupta, board certified plastic surgeon, having experience of more than 2000 body contouring procedures. And what I'll be talking to you today about is recovery after liposuction or recovery after body contouring procedures. If you are someone who is contemplating liposuction or body contouring surgery, this video is for you because we'll be talking about the recovery after body contouring. So, in my hands, when I do liposuction or body contouring surgeries, most of my patients go back home the same day. They don't need overnight hospital admissions. Sometimes, if they're not feeling well, we keep them overnight in hospital for sure, and then they go back home the next day. And once they go back home, they're up and about and can do their daily activities themselves. They don't need help of someone to go around somewhere, go to bathroom or loo, and they're reasonably fine to do their daily activities. Since we use technologies like MicroAire and VASER, they do not have too much of pain. In fact, most of my patients, when asked to rate their discomfort and pain from 1 to 10, even after next day after surgery, and they tell me either it is usually 3 or 4. So it's not that very bad. It's just a kind of a discomfort. And for this discomfort, we most of the time just prescribe basic painkiller like diclofenac. No strong painkillers are needed. They also have to wear something called as compression garment, which is, I prefer a made-to-order garment made of cotton lycra so that the skin shrinks and sticks to the muscle behind, and the swelling and bruising after this procedure is less. So, suppose we operate you on Monday, you go back home on Monday evening or Tuesday morning, up and about from same day, wearing compression garment, not much of a discomfort. From Wednesday onwards, or that is after 2 days or 3 days onwards, most of my patients resume their office duties. That is, they can join back their office, but I ask them to do slight light work. They can do a desk work. I would ask them to avoid field duties as much as possible. So, on day 2 or day 3, you can resume your office, can do a desk job, and can continue your life nearly normal. And as the days will progress, I advise them to start doing massage. So, the massage has an important role after any body contouring procedure to give you an enhanced result, decrease your swelling and bruising as quickly as possible. This massage is also called as lymphatic drainage massage, and depending on what area of the body, there are different strokes and motions. We plastic surgeons advise to our patients to do that. The massage can be done with either coconut oil or different ointments like arnica ointments or different moisturizers to enhance and give other skin soothing abilities. So, after day 2, 3, you start doing massage, resume your office duties, and you are slightly getting better. After 1 week, I allow my patients to start doing cardio exercises. Yes, since we use technologies and hence the discomfort and the tissue trauma is less, they can resume their cardio after 1 week. They can start with jogging, exercise, cycling, and all these things can be resumed after 1 week. The massage and compression garments continue. And after 2 weeks, they can start their weight training exercises. So yes, weight training exercises and full exercises can be started after 2 weeks of liposuction. The swelling and bruising will keep on continue to settle down over next few weeks. So after 2 weeks, the patient has to wear compression garment. They need to continue compression garment for 6 weeks after surgery. Massage, I usually recommend to continue up to 3 to 4 months as the results keeps on improving, but they can resume their full exercise at 2 weeks. And they will see that slowly they are getting fitter and feeling better. The swelling will improve a lot. I tell my patients up to 70 to 80% swelling will reduce by 4 to 6 weeks. Complete swelling resolution, even the book says, takes up to 6 months. So your results will keep on improving after body contouring over next few months. So this was my attempt to give you a rough estimate about your recovery after liposuction procedure. Now obviously there will be slight differences between each individual and each body part they want to contour. So consult a board certified plastic surgeon who you are contemplating for your body contouring surgery, and discuss about your recovery after the procedures. I've tried to answer most of the questions my patients ask me about their recovery. If you have more questions, please write in to us and we'll be there to help you.